Hello friends, we'll continue with our studies on Vedic mathematics. My son, Master Sagar Hiremat, and myself, Sidhu Hiremat, we both welcome you to this week's Vedic mathematics session on some special mathematical operations, in specific with a couple of fascinating multiplication types. The multiplication types we are going to understand here are: one is with the number involved ones and another with the number involved 9. Friends, before we move on, we look into the keywords used in our explanation here. Multiplicand. It is the number to be used to do multiplication. The word multiplicand can be interchanged with multiplier as multiplication operation supports the associative property. That is, A into B is same as B into A. So, A and B are to be considered alternatively as the multiplier and the multiplicand. The other two terms we are recalling here are Ekanyuna and Puraka, which we have already seen under the session of keywords used in Vedic mathematics previously. Ekanyuna is Eka plus Nyuna, means 1 minus. In mathematical terms, we call it as predecessor. That is, Ekanyuna of 58 is 58 minus 1, that is 57. Puraka of 9 is the number we are going to get after deducting all the digits from 9. The Puraka of 653 from 9 is 346. This is we are going to get deducting all the digits of 653 from 9, like 9 minus 6, 9 minus 5 and 9 minus 3. Now let's begin by multiplication with ones. 11 first. Follow below simple steps to find the product of a number multiplied by 11. First, write down the number to be multiplied in brackets and zeros on the either side. Secondly, separate the number into groups of 2 and add them from right to left. Third, in case the sum of two numbers added is greater than or equal to 10, then carry forward the 10th place as it is usually done in simple addition. And then we will be with the product. Let us find the answer of 3512 into 11. First, write the number 3512 in bracket as shown with the zeros on the either side. Second, separate into group of 2 and add them. Third, here we have all the sums within 10. So our answer is 38632. Therefore, 3512 into 11 is equal to 38,632. Now we will find the product of a bigger number with 11. We will see 658241 into 11. First, write the numbers in brackets as shown and zeros on the either side. Next, separate into group of 2 and add them. Last step, observe carefully here. The number in 1000, 10,000 and lakh places have 2 digits. So, 10th place value in them to be carried to next higher place value. So, after performing the third step, we are going to get 6,58,421 into 11 equals to 72,40,651. Friends, hope you are clear with multiplying any number with 11 in seconds. We'll see now multiplying the number with 111. The process followed in this is also same as we did for 11, but with a small change in step 1 and step 2. In step 1, write the number to be multiplied in bracket and 2 zeros on the either side instead of 1 zero. In step 2, separate with a group of 3 numbers and add them instead of 2 numbers. In step 3, add the number starting from unity place and carry forward if getting 2-digit number. We will see with multiplication of 3512 with 111. Write 3512 in bracket and two zeros on the either side. Separate into group of 3 and add them. In this example, we have all the numbers with single digit. So our answer for 3512 into 111 is 389832. We will find the multiplication of 658241 into 111. In step 1, writing 658241 in bracket with the two zeros on the both sides. In step 2, grouping the numbers into set of 3 and adding them. In step 3, observing 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh places, we have two digits. So, carrying the 10th place value in them to the next higher value. So, the answer for 658241 into 111 is 730647 and 51. The same process to be used for number for multiplying with 1111, for which 3 zeros should be added and next steps to be followed. Multiplying with any number in 11 is very useful while we are using pi 22 by 7 in our calculations. 22 should be bifurcated as 11 and into 2 and get simplified with the further calculations. Now we will see multiplication with nines. The multiplication with nines can be grouped into three groups based on the number of digits in nines. Group 1 is when multiplicand and nines are having same number of digits. Second group is when digits in nines are more digits than the multiplicand. Last one is when the digits in nines are less than the digits in multiplicand. We will see group wise individually starting with same number of digits. To find the solution for this, simply follow the formula Ekanyunya of the multiplicand and Puraka of it from 9. Let us find the product of 6538 and 9999. First part will be Ekanyunya of 6538, that is 6538 minus 1 equals to 6537. Second part is Puraka of 6537 from 9 will be 3462. Therefore, the solution for 6538 into 9999 is 65373462. Next, to see if the multiplicand has a less number of digits compared to nines, we again use the same formula. We all know the value of a number remains same if we add any number of zeros before that. So, we will make multiplicand as the same number of digits by adding required number of zeros. Let us see the multiplication of 6538 into 999999, 6 nines here. Part 1 is 6538 is same as 006538 and Ekanyunya of it is 006537. Part 2 is Puraka of 006537 from 9 is 993462 and hence the answer is 006537993462, that is same as 6537993462. Last group is when nines has less number of digits. Explain the process with example here. Follow 3 simple steps for part 1. Step 1. Find the Ekanyunya of the multiplicand as before. Step 2. Underline the digits from unit place as many as nines. Step 3. Subtract excess digit numbers from Ekanyunya value we got in step 1. And for the second part, Just find the Puraka of the underlined number in step 2 above. Okay, let us see with an example here. We will see the multiplication of 6538 into 99. To find the first part, we will follow the steps below. Step 1 is Ekanyanya of 6538 is 6537. Step 2 is underlining 3 and 7 in 6537 as 9 has 2 digits. Step 3 is deducting non-underlined or the excess number from Ekanyanya value, that is 6537 minus 65 is equals to 6472. And part 2 is Puraka of 37 from 9 is 62. So the answer is 647262. Thank you friends. Hope you clearly understood the simplest way of multiplication of any number with ones and nines. Please try couple of sums in your free time to realize the hidden excitements of our Vedic mathematics. You may also cross-verify your answers with the simplest way of verification by finding Bijanka and using the Vedic check we studied earlier. Thanks to the father of Vedic mathematics, Sri Shankaracharya of Govardhan Pita, Puri, His Holiness Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji, we, Sagar and me, thank you all personally for watching this video. It is our pleasure explaining the treasure behind the Vedic mathematics. Friends, watch the other videos related to mathematics, namely Vedic maths, interesting maths, and maths magic. New viewers and non-subscribers, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for getting alerts on new upcoming videos. Expecting your views and likes for the betterment in the forthcoming videos, and request you to pass it on to your closed circles and beyond. In the next video, we will see some more interesting multiplications. Happy learning friends. Thanks a ton.